Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically in your Shopify store, if you have any kind of variants, for example color variant or maybe any other name you have given, so you can separate them out as an individual product on your collection pages. This video is specific for peach theme. So if you have any other theme, then you can explore my playlist of the videos, and I have already created a lot of videos with different themes. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed peach theme, and you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first so that you should have a backup of original version. Once you have duplicated the theme, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here you can see that we have some folders and files. So what exactly we can do here is we are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download the code first. These are the number of files which you will be finding in that code. So firstly you should open document.txt. Inside of this file I have already given all the steps which I am going to follow in this video. So now we have to follow the first step, which is create new snippet, color dash card, and paste attached code. So basically we are going to create some new snippets. So let me copy this name of the snippet and go back here. Here you can see that we have snippets folder. Click on that and click on add a new snippet and paste that name here. Then click on done. So we have a new snippet created right here. Again go back to the documentation. We have the second step, which is create another new snippet, color dash gallery. So let me copy this code and go back here. So you should paste, click on add a new snippet again, paste that name of the file, and then click on done. So simply we have created another new snippet, and again we have the third step, which is create another new snippet, color dash group. So let me copy this name from here, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. Similarly we have the fourth step, which is create another new snippet, color dash swatches. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. And same way you should follow the fifth step, which is create another new snippet, color dash variant. Copy the name, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. So we have created all these empty files. Now we are going to paste the attached code which I have already given, which you will be finding after download. So let's copy the first file code. So here we have color-card.txt. So you should open it up, copy this code, and then go back here, click on color-card.liquid and paste that code here, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file, and again go back here. You should open color-gallery.txt. So let me copy this code from here and then go back, and we have color-gallery.liquid. So you should paste that code, save the changes, and then you can close this file also. Same way you should go back, we have color-group.txt. So you should copy this code also and then go back here. We have another file, color-group.liquid, and inside of it you need to paste that code and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file also, go back, and we have another file, color-swatches.txt. So let me copy this one also and then paste it inside of color-swatches.liquid. So let me paste it, then click on save, and then you can also close this file once it is saved. Now we have the last and final file, which is color-variant.txt. So you should copy this code also and then go back, and here we have color-variant.liquid. Inside of this file you should paste that code which you have copied and then save the changes and then close this file also. Now we have to move ahead with the sixth step, which is go to blocks and open _product-card.liquid. So let me copy this file name and then let me search it right here. So you can paste it, and then you can see that we have _product-card.liquid, which is under blocks. So you should open this file and then go back to the documentation again. Here you can see that we have to replace this line of code with these lines of code. So let me copy all these lines of code and then go back, and here you can see that we have this line of code in line number 11. So let me replace this. Firstly let me remove it and then replace with the copied lines which you have just now copied from the documentation, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file also, and then go back to the documentation again. Now we have the last and final step, which is 7th step actually. So here we have, go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy this file name also, go back here and let me search that file, main-collection. So you can see that under sections we have main-collection.liquid, and inside of this file we have to find li. We actually need to remove li tag, which is inside of this loop. So let me show you where exactly it is. So you should scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that around line number 75 you can see that we have an li tag which is inside of this loop. So let me remove this li tag. So here you need to select and then delete it, and then after we have closing li tag, so you should remove this one also. Once you have removed that, then you can actually save the changes. So that's it. Now you can close this file and let's see the preview. Here is the home page of this theme. Now we are coming up with shop page, and this is the shop page. Now you can see that all the colors are displayed on this collection page, and these are looking so beautiful. So actually what exactly we did is we have actually separated out all those color variants as an individual product. So for example, I am changing the color on swatch, so automatically that swatch color is displaying here. For example, I am trying this one, so swatches are also working fine. All right, so that's how you can actually implement this same thing into your store. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. If you have any other theme, then you can definitely ask me in the comment section. I will create a new video for you, or maybe I will help you directly for your Shopify theme. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you have any new thing to do in your store, for example, you have to create a new feature to your store, or maybe you have to boost the sales. So I have a lot of things which I did so far, so I can actually help you with the consultation, like how you can do the things for your store to improve all the things. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can message me anytime. I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.